Hodei, a wallet for every platform. Your wallet shouldn't be stuck in a browser, yet almost every Cardano wallet lives there. Games, CLIs, native apps and the like are left stranded. Developers are stuck, users are frustrated. Hodei fixes this. A mobile wallet for interoperability. It lives on your phone, letting any app anywhere connect and sign. It's built on a secure three-component architecture: Vault, Bridge, and Client. The Vault keeps your keys safe in secure local storage. Biometric or device passcode protects access. Backed up to your cloud if you want for cross-device syncing. The Bridge relays requests between your apps and Vault. Stores unsigned transactions temporarily. Never sees your keys. The Client. Web apps, games, CLIs, native apps, anything that speaks WebSocket. It's whatever you build. A DApp wants to sign a transaction. The Bridge forwards it to your Vault. You review and approve transactions on your phone. The client never touches your keys. Ever. Web apps connect over WebSocket using our JavaScript client. Weld plugin makes Hodei appear like any other wallet. Fully SIP30 compliant, existing DApps work without changes. Build where you want. Connect however you want. Your keys stay on your phone. Hodei, one wallet, every platform. Try it at hodei.io.